4 athletes of Mtam will participate in the IFMA World Championship in-house, the King of Martial Arts. Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya (MTAM) on April 12th announced that 4 of its athletes will be participating in the Senior Men and Women IFMA World Championship, which will be held in Bangkok, Thailand from May 4th to May 13th. Lapinchai's Aim Lee 48 kg category, Benebor Miliangwap in the 48 kg category, Edelbert Rindong Sngi in the 85 kg category, and Skambor Lang Marwain in the 51 kg category are the athletes who will compete in the championship. They will be accompanied by 2 coaches, Angela Sun and Pinsuk Lang Sumer.
Of Meghalaya would like to announce regarding the players who will take part in the World Championship, which will be organized senior men and women in the Thailand from 4 to 13 of May 2023. So the Meghalaya will represent from India, from United Muay Thai Association, India. Participants, there are 4 participants and 2 referee and judges. And referee is Master Angelo Sun. I'll give you by the list.